If your plants suddenly look weaker than usual, herbicide injury could be one possible cause. This type of damage is often associated with photosynthesis-inhibiting herbicides, sometimes called bleaching herbicides. One of the first signs is yellowing between the leaf veins. As the damage progresses, the leaf margins may also turn yellow while the veins remain green. Eventually, the affected leaves can dry out rapidly and may fall from the plant within just a few days. Severely damaged leaves can develop a pale, dry appearance that resembles a paper bag. The severity of the symptoms depends on the herbicide involved, the application rate, and when the product was applied. Certain herbicides, including atrazine, bromoxynil, diuron, and fluomitron, can interfere with photosynthesis and cause the plant's green pigments to break down. As a result, the foliage becomes yellow or pale. Older leaves are often more severely affected than younger growth, and symptoms may develop more quickly under bright, full sun conditions. Herbicide resistance can also complicate weed management, particularly in populations of grasses and broadleaf weeds such as mustard species, nettles, and wild radish. Unlike many plant diseases, herbicide injury cannot be cured with a biological treatment. The best approach is to prevent exposure and avoid unnecessary chemical damage. Before applying any herbicide, first identify the weed you are trying to control. Determine whether it is a broadleaf or grass-type weed, and consider whether mechanical removal, cultivation, mulching, or another management method could be used instead. If a herbicide is necessary, select a product that is specifically labeled for the target weed and crop. Carefully follow the recommended application rate, timing, and safety instructions. To reduce the risk of accidental injury, thoroughly clean spraying equipment after each application. Residues from one herbicide can contaminate a sprayer and cause unexpected damage when the equipment is later used on another crop. Avoid spraying during windy conditions, since herbicide drift can carry droplets onto nearby crops and sensitive plants. Use appropriate spray nozzles and application techniques designed to reduce drift. When using an unfamiliar product, consider testing it on a small area first, provided this is consistent with the product label and local regulations. Observe the plants before treating the entire field. Check weather conditions before spraying and avoid applications when rain is expected or when environmental conditions are unsuitable for the product. Keeping a spray record can also be helpful. Record the date, product, application rate, location, and weather conditions so that unexpected symptoms can be traced back to a possible source. The key symptoms to remember are asterisk yellowing between the leaf veins, yellow leaf margins at later stages, while the veins may remain green. Severe exposure can cause rapid discoloration, drying, and leaf drop. Attosic spiridosic, careful weed identification, correct herbicide selection, accurate application, clean equipment, and proper weather conditions are essential for preventing this type of plant injury. Stay tuned for more practical plant care advice.